If you've been eating healthy, doing your best to move more, yet you still feel tired, bloated, or stuck, this video is for you. I'm Rachel Sewell, a menopause performance coach and NLP master practitioner. I help women over 35 feel balanced, energized, and confident in their bodies again. And it all starts with one simple shift, a small nutrient change that can make a huge difference. Here's the truth. It's not your fault you feel this way. Your body is changing hormonally, emotionally, and physically. What used to work doesn't anymore. And that can feel really frustrating. You're not lazy, you're not doing anything wrong. Your body just needs different support right now. In our 20s and 30s, cutting calories, skipping meals, or pushing harder often worked. But after 35, those same strategies backfire. Restriction slows your metabolism, raises stress hormones, and actually makes you feel more drained, more hungry, and more stuck. During perimenopause and menopause, your hormones naturally shift. Estrogen and progesterone drop, and this affects everything: energy, digestion, mood, even your sleep. Your gut becomes more sensitive, stress hits harder, and what your body really needs is nourishment, not less food. And here's what most women don't realize: one of the simplest ways to support your hormones is through fiber. It sounds basic, but fiber is a game changer. It helps your body detox excess hormones, improves gut health, stabilizes energy, and keeps cravings under control. When you start eating enough fiber, everything begins to work better. Your digestion improves, energy feels more stable, sleep gets deeper, mood lifts, and over time, your body starts to feel lighter, calmer, and more in sync with you again. This is for you if you're a woman over 35 who wants to feel good again in your body, whether your goal is more energy, fewer cravings, better digestion, or simply feeling like yourself again. The simple shift is the place to start. I've spent over 15 years helping women just like you reclaim their energy, balance their hormones, and find a healthier, happy rhythm with food. I combine nutrition, training, and NLP mindset tools to help you make changes that actually stick. I've put everything that you need into a short, practical resource called the Fibre Fixer Guide. Inside, I'll show you how fiber impacts your hormones and gut health, why calorie cutting stops working after 35, and how to use AI like ChatGPT to build your own hormone friendly meals in minutes. It's simple, actionable, and completely free. You can grab your free guide below. It only takes about 10 seconds and opens up instantly. You'll see just how powerful this one shift can be when your hormones, digestion, and energy start working with you again. You don't need to do more. You just need to do what works with your body. And this is where it starts. So go ahead, grab your free guide, and let's help you feel energized, balanced, and confident again.